Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get any seed in ICARUS. So first of all, go to the tech tree, tier 3, and make sure you got the alteration bench unlocked, also with the tool attachment pack. Once you've crafted the alteration bench, you want to go ahead and press F on the part where there's the drill press. Here you're gonna see a menu and select the threshing attachment. As you can see, this is going to allow to gain seeds when harvesting. Once it's crafted, now we will move to the right part of the bench, press F to click on it, and here you want to put your tool which you want to alter inside of this tab. But make sure the tool has this square icon in the bottom right corner. This means it allows attachments to be put on the tool. So once you did that, you're gonna put the attachment on the left side and click alter. We're gonna wait a little bit. And once it's done, you're gonna see the cycle has the attachment on it. So now we can go outside, and as you can see there's a carrot, and if I left click on it, you're gonna see I got some carrots and a carrot seed. So you can do this with any kind of plant to get the seeds, and that's how you get any seeds in ICARUS. Hope this helped, and make sure to like and subscribe if you like this tutorial. See you next time.